Hello, my name is Yohannes Yitbarek. I am a doctoral student at the Max Planck Institute for Social Anthropology in Halle in Germany. I am inspired by anthropology because it helps us to explore human diversity and what it is that all human beings have in common. Because of its relativistic approach, anthropology helps us to be more sensitive and appreciative of cultural diversity and variability. It also helps us to avoid some of the misunderstanding that arises when different cultures come into contact. My current research project is about national development interventions and local responses in Hamar district in Southern Ethiopia. In my research, I examine the politics of development in Ethiopia by describing implications of recent development interventions, such as large-scale agricultural investments, conservation of wildlife, and the Education for All program of the Ethiopian government, as implemented in the territories of the agro-pastoral Hamar communities in Hamar in the lower Omo Valley. In recent years, the relationship between the local community and the administration, the local administration, has been growing increasingly tense. Issues that caused such strained relationships have been topics of intense debate between the local communities and the district administration. The Hamar identify three main issues. First one is dispossession of grazing lands. Second, denial of access to Mago National Park. And the third one is problems related with schooling of girls. For their part, the local authorities blame the Hamar community for being resistant to modernization, characterizing the local communities as closed, locked in their own traditions, and stubbornly opposed to change of any sort. In my research, I addressed two basic questions. First, what are the motives and priorities of the national government in implementing its development programs in Hamar and its vicinity? Second, in which ways have the Hamar experienced and responded to these development projects? My research will have the following insights. First, it contributes to the general debate on pastoralism and development by highlighting the negative implications of outside development interventions on local livelihoods and conflict dynamics in pastoral and agro-pastoral inhabited areas. It also shows the importance of pastoralism in arid and semi-arid areas. Second, it stimulates and informs debate amongst those involved in planning and executing development projects, and also experiencing these development interventions at the margin of the Ethiopian state.